Okay, London session done. Took one trade on Swiss JPY. Swiss JPY reversal setup. Took this one because daily breakout levels all bearish. Peak bias are bullish. We faked out the previous week low. Don't want to go against that weekly move unless we get a fake out of the previous day high. So we got a fake out of the previous day high today. It's a bullish breakout day. Looking for a 1-bar bullish reversal. So what I saw is price faked out the high, got below the breakout level, and we also broke out below the H8 low. So what I'm looking for is a breakout of the H8 low below that breakout level. That's what we got. But I was waiting for London Open over here at 3 p.m. And then I waited for the pullback. There was news at 4 p.m. over here, and so I got in after this fake out. On the H1, there was a nice strong H1 breakout bar. If I go down to the 1 minute, this is where I look at the H1 breakout levels. We have a bullish breakout bar. My setups are fractal. They work on every single time frame, looking for that trend continuation. We have higher time frames all pushing down, and I'm looking for a continuation setup, breakout bar, looking for a fake out of the M15 high. So on H1, I'm looking at the M15. On the H1, I'm looking at M15 to show me where momentum is taking the market. So I'm looking for an M15 high fake out, and I get that right here, and I entered as price got below. So I did wait until the 4 p.m., which there was news. Nothing happened, so then I entered straight about here. Do this again here. And looking to take this down to the next level. So looking to take this down to the previous week low as a first target, but my real target is the previous day low. So I'm going to see how price behaves over here. This is a 2.5 hour move, but I'm looking for that move down to the previous day low. And that's it. That's the only trade that I took. I was also looking at Euro GBP, faked out the H8 low, and then I was waiting for price to get above, but I ended up opting to just trade Swiss JPY. There were other things. GJ, I took GJ in Asia. Nice move down, took partials here at the previous week low, and then I had my TP at the previous day low. There was GBP news at 2 p.m. At 2 p.m., already taking partials here, 85% partials, and once news was coming in, I moved all my stops down to the previous week low, and at news it went straight to TP. So everything all good with that one. D30, there's a trend continuation day. There's a breakout of the H8 high, but this setup for me is a fake out of the H8 low. There's also 2 inside bars in a row over here. I don't like to trade when we're inside of a range. I'd rather see price come down, fake out that range low to take it up. I didn't think that this was a good setup for me. Broke out of the H8 high here. I prefer, on these trend continuations, I prefer the H8 high breakout at the previous day high. So did not take this one. Looks like it would have been a good move, but it's not my setup. Specifically, I didn't like it because of the 2 inside bars in a row on the H8. So that was that. And then Euro GBP, that was the other one that I liked. GBP AUD, this is one that I identified in Asia. Breakout, bearish breakout followed by fake out bar. Again, got setups for everything here. Looking for a fake out of the previous day high. Did not get that. In Asia, I skipped this one because it did not get to the range high. And so nothing has changed here. Next setup I'm looking for is consolidation between the fake out level and the previous day low. And then I'm looking for a breakout of the previous H8 low. So right now it is kind of getting stuck below this. and then I would look for a breakout of the H8 low in New York. But not going to call any signals on this. Just this is kind of how my thought process is. So I just need to wait for the next session. I don't have a setup for this. The H8 low is right here, and so I don't have a setup on this one anymore. So nothing on GBP AUD. Euro CAD. This one looks okay, but there is an inside bar here. So didn't set up while I was watching it. And I'm done. My session's done. Not going to take any new trades. GBP NZD, that was the other one that I really liked a lot, but did not set up for me. I was waiting for a fake out of the high. This is a trend breakout. This check mark tells me that the breakout levels and the peak bias are all pushing in one direction. I was waiting for a H8 high fake out. I think there was a range as well, and so there's an inside bar. There was a range. The range and the H8 high are both at the same level, are nearby, and so I was hoping for a fake out of the high to take it down, but did not do that. So no setups on GBP and ZD, and then Swiss JPY is the one that I took. So let's see if this wants to continue on down, and that's it. So that's it. Gonna look at New York now. Done with London. Very quick one today, and just gonna get off the charts and move on with my day.